I'm Mike Stark, product specialist of wheel loaders for the Doosan company. One of the new features that going from interim tier 4 on the Doosan wheel loaders to the tier 4 wheel loaders, we actually went to a new switch panels, which is a membrane type switch panels with LEDs. The LED tells you when you have the function on, when you actually have the function off, to go with some of the other features that we have, options that you have. Differential lock, that's the locking in the front two wheels of your wheel loader to turn it on, the function on and off with the push of a button. We've eliminated in this panel, we eliminated the actual manual switches, toggle switches. Also, you got other features. You got the torque lockup features. You can turn it on and off for when you need that feature on. You also, with the new, we had some of the same functions in interim tier 4, but we have a few more functions. By going into this, as you see over here, this is a standard display on the wheel loaders, where you can get, you got your fuel gauge, you got your DEF fluid and so forth, you got RPMs of the engine, what speed the transmission is in. But there's a lot more information now that you can actually is machine state. You can get into that. You can see where you're at for fuel filter, when you need to change it, how many hours you are. You've got 5% use on it, for example, 5% use on your fuel filter, air cleaner, engine oil filter, and so forth. There's a lot of functions. You can monitor a lot of the information, your steering pressure, main pressure, engine speed, and so forth, and go to and then the torque converter, coolant temperature, and so forth. You can look at all those actual temperatures and so forth of the machine. You can escape of that. You can actually get information. Fuel efficiency data is a new feature for the tier 4. In that week, you can get the data as far as weekly efficiency data. You can see where your fuel usage has been for the last 2 weeks ago and so forth. You can escape out of that. You can get daily usage, where you have been 1 hour before, 2 hours before, 3 hours before. What's your in gallons per hour? What's the fuel usage? More and more customers are looking to get more information, how the machine is being used and so forth. Now a lot of that information is right on your display. There's a lot of weekly operations you can continue to, and then continue to go, and it'll actually give your operation period was, for instance, line 2, 2 days before operation period was 2.6 hours, using about 3.5 gallons per minute. Very nice features to get your how your machine, each operator is using the machine and so forth. So.